Hopefully you remember that in content analyses, there are different types of research questions. Content analysis research questions can, and there's an extra little video here, they can describe what's happening on the show or whatever they're analyzing. They could compare. Maybe they would compare between one season and another. They could compare before and after an event. They could compare between real life and what happened on the show. They also can test hypotheses, and they also can assess. So we want to pay attention when we're looking at a content analysis, what each research question is doing, and you're going to need to do this on the quiz. So research question 1, and you can see that they organized by having little sections above it. So this was on health relief model. How much coverage is given to the health threat of organ donation shortage on Grey's Anatomy? So in this question, this is a describe question. It's asking how much, how often, what proportion of the content on the show is about organ donation shortages. Okay, so they're going to count these up. Pretty basic. Research question 2. Are organ donation trends depicted on Grey's Anatomy similar to national trends in the United States? So this is hopefully obvious for you to see, a compare research question, because it's going to take, the percentage of heart transplants or kidney transplants or whatever in the show and compare it to what's happening in reality using this UNOS data. Okay? So we go over to research question 3, and you can pay attention to the words. How frequently, right? How frequently does Grey's Anatomy portray the benefits associated with registering as an organ donor? This is describing, because it's just going to count the frequencies of when the benefits associated with this are in the episodes. Research question 4 is similar. How often does it portray the barriers, right? So that's a describe. Research question 5. Does Grey's Anatomy model the various ways an individual can register as an organ donor? So this is asking about, is this occurring in the show? So this is a describe question. And it's basically saying, does it appear? So yeah, those are those different types of research questions. I would encourage you to watch the video on different types of research questions if you want some different examples of these too.